Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send GIF on Slack. Now, what are GIF? GIFs are basically graphical interchange format. It basically, in simple words, means moving pictures or animated pictures that you can send. Now, to send it on Slack, what you have to do is just open up Slack, either the application or the web browser version. I'm gonna use the web browser version, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up a browser. Then make sure to be on slack.com. Then just open a workspace. Just click on launch Slack. Then just give it some time. It will load the workplace. You might have to click use Slack in your browser over here. And then it will open the workspace for you and you'll be inside a channel. Now, from here, to send a GIF, what you have to do is just be here. Then just go ahead and click on the emoji icon. And from here, you can just go ahead and find GIFs here. Click on it and click on enable. This is gonna allow you to send GIFs. Now you can send any GIF from here. Let's say you can even search GIFs. Let's say I'm gonna say one subscribe. So click the subscribe button. I'll just send this GIF and type here subscribe now and send it. And there you go. The GIF has been sent. And basically that is how to send GIF in Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe